What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So on the menu today we are preparing gizzard stir fry. I had this gizzard in my freezer from Christmas that I had to do something with, so I decided to do a stir fry with. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment for me. Also, I have a lifestyle channel that I've created showing day in my life and what I do in a daily basis. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to link it in my description box. Thank you. So I've freshly washed my gizzard. I'm going to ahead to add some seasoning. I have some seasoning in my kitchen. You can use any seasoning that you prefer, but preferably I use chicken seasoning, powdered garlic and ginger, and a little bit of curry. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead to mix everything well together, and I'm going ahead to add salt to it. I'm setting it aside to marinate for about 30 minutes, and whilst that is marinating, these are the vegetables that I'm going to use. I have some green pepper, some carrots, and some onions. You can use any vegetable that you have in your kitchen, whichever that you prefer. So I'm just cutting my vegetables into preferred size. You can cut it in any shape and any size that you want. So after cutting my vegetables, I made sure that before cutting my vegetables, I made sure that I washed them perfectly in salty water, if I should say, to get rid of any germs or any bacteria that was in for bringing it from the market. So after that, I've transferred my gizzard into a pan, and then into this I'm going to add 1 cup of water into this. Stir it and make sure that every bit of it is well marinated, and then onto the fire it goes. I'm going to cook this for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes my gizzard came out perfect. I'm going ahead to add hot chili pepper to this because I'm making it spicy. I want spicy gizzard, so I'm adding hot chili pepper. This stage is totally optional. You can choose not to do this. And then today I added about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Now into a hot pan with cooking oil, I'm going ahead to add my chopped vegetables. I'm going to saute this for about a minute or two till everything looks a little bit translucent. And whilst that is happening, I'm going ahead to prepare my sauce. So it's just soy sauce, and I'm going ahead to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch into this. This is going to help thicken my stir fries. So into my sauteed vegetables, I'm going to add the same seasoning that I used for my gizzard. So I'm going ahead to add my natural seasoning, some curry. After sauteing for some few minutes, I'm going ahead to add my prepared gizzard into it. I'm going to divide it into 2 because my pan is a little bit small to add everything all at once. Since everything in this is already cooked and perfectly prepared, I'm just going to allow this to saute for a minute, not even more than a minute. And then again, I'm adding hot chili pepper. You can choose to miss this stage if you really don't like pepper, but my family really loves pepper, so I'm going ahead to add it. And then after sauteing for some few minutes, I'm going to add my soy sauce mixture into this, which will help thicken my stir fry, and then a little bit of water to help it cook. So I'm just going to let this cook for about a minute or 2, and then your stir fry is ready to be enjoyed with your rice or whatever it is that you have. It can be enjoyed with rice, yam, or even as a snack on its own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.